In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a location in Google Maps app on an iPhone or Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up Google Maps app. And then we need to search for a location we would like to add. I'm just gonna select some random location here. Once we find it, we need to tap at the screen to drop a pin. And then if we drag it a bit, if we drag it a bit to the left, we can easily find add label, and then we are able to tap on it to label the location. We can enter something like home or work or whatever. And then to edit, just tap at done. As you can see, location has been added to our Google Maps. However, it is visible just for us, and other users are not able to find that location. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.